Okay, so this is a Screencast-O-Matic site, that link that I sent you. So if you click on the start recording for free and launch free recorder and then open screen recorder launcher. When that loads, it's going to come up with a screen with the black screen right here. You can X out of this little spot here so that it's not where you, not in your way. But then if you click open your documents, and let's say I'm going to do the fronts, and what I would do was click on the present mode, and it's going to make it very, very big. And once it makes it big, you can go down to the bottom here and click this little spot, which will make it smaller. And once it makes it a little bit smaller, using this down here at the bottom, you can minimize your screen a little bit. And then what you're going to see is this box that comes up around it, and you can come on the sides and you can actually make it so that it fits the actual screen that you want to record. So once you make it to the screen you want to record, all you have to do is click the record button up here at the top, and you can start recording yourself. It'll give you a countdown. You can start recording yourself. Just hit the arrows on your MacBook to move from slide to slide. And then if there's anything you want to import, you can just go to the pause button. You can stop it. And then if you want to, you'll click to a different slide or show something else or go back to the beginning, you just click record again and it'll start, give you a countdown. It'll start from where you left off, and you can go through and record, and you can pause. So the cool thing about this is you can go through, you can pause at any time. The only thing with the Screencast-O-Matic, the free one, is that it doesn't let you actually go and edit unless you pay. So if I am unsure of something or want to pause something, I'll just hit the pause button at the top and then start recording again. Sometimes I do have to redo it and trash it, but it rarely happens, because if you click that pause button at the top, it'll pause it till you find something. The other cool thing about this is you could go, and I'll just pull something up that I have. I can pause it, like I'm in pause mode now, and I can bring up, say, a video on the digestive system, and I can just reformat my screen to actually fit this video. And then I can go to my record button, just pop down here at the bottom. I can go to my record button and it'll do the countdown again. And then I can actually start this video. And that video will actually be part of my slideshow and what I'm talking about. And then once I want to stop the video, I only want, say, like 10 seconds of it, then I click the pause button on the record. Make sure to always hit the pause button on the record first, and then I can go to, obviously, the pause of the video, and then if I want to bring back my other screen, I bring my other screen. Or maybe I want to, you know, I don't know, show a document, and then I put the document up. So whatever, you can always pause it, and you can always change the screens, reformat your screen. So that's what's kind of cool about this. Now when you're done with it, click the done button, and then save and upload. What I always do, just so that I always have it, I'll save as a video file and I'll publish, and it'll go through and it'll save it. And then you can go through and hit the done button. And where it'll actually save, it'll come back to the screen when you're done, because then it'll ask you if you want to like upgrade. But where it'll actually save is onto your desktop. So I just needed to move my screen a little bit. Obviously, don't mind all my junk on here. And then I was able to find my recording here. And then you can go and you can right click, or, you know, go through and you can rename it to, fronts or whatever you want. This is where I will actually take my videos when I do them in the Edpuzzle, or when the Screencast-O-Matic, and I'll take my videos and I will import them into Edpuzzle, and that's how I make the Edpuzzle from those videos that I made on my own. Or obviously I'll use sometimes the videos that are already on Edpuzzle and use them. So hopefully this helps.